Videotaping? Okay, good. Alright. Today, we're installing Mapei Flex Grout CQ. Ready to use grout with color-coded quartz. So, the way we install it, we wipe the tile and make it wet. And we'll open the bucket. You can see it's pre-mixed. Grab a small amount for your trowel. Put it on your trowel. Good. And apply it to the wall.
On a 45-degree angle.
Yes. And if you can't reach, and make sure you push the grout deep into the joints.
What happens if you don't?
If you don't, the grout will fall out later. And if you do it in the shower, it won't be waterproof at all. Then, at a 90-degree angle to the wall, remove the excess before it dries. So, to apply, 45-degree angle grout float, 45-degree angle wall. And then work it in to all the little spots. You can pick up the grout that fell. Pick it up. And continue. Only work in a small area. Working with the tile 3 by 6. We do maybe 8 square feet max, just because of the drying time. Oh, there goes a little bit. That's okay. You can pick it up and put it back in. So that looks to be enough. Pick it up. Pick up the stuff on the ground.